Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme supports USB-C audio and that the earphones are compatible. This avoids confusion later. Next, inspect and gently clean the connector to ensure a good electrical contact. Once done, unlock your phone or power it off briefly if you prefer a cold connect. This reduces initial handshake errors. Make sure volume is low before inserting the plug, because sudden loud audio can shock your ears and speakers. You now plug the USB-C earphones in firmly. Press until you feel the connector seat. A loose fit causes crackling. Then open Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, and confirm the output shows wired headphones so Android routes audio correctly. If your Realme offers high-res or enhancer options, enable them for better fidelity, but keep volume moderate. Also verify any app-specific audio permissions or exclusive audio modes, so apps can deliver sound through the new device. You finish by playing a test track and adjusting volume to confirm stereo and mic function, test calls and voice recorder if mic exists. If audio is absent or distorted, reseat the plug and reboot the phone. This clears temporary driver handshake faults. If problems persist, try the earphones on another USB-C device to isolate whether the issue is phone or earphones. Troubleshooting tip: if one side is silent, inspect the plug and port for lint or bent pins before pursuing repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.